Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your credit utilization with Synchrony Bank, full guide step by step clearly. Start by checking your current credit utilization ratio. Access your credit report through a reliable credit bureau. Identify all your credit accounts and their respective balances. Calculate your total credit limit by adding the limits of all your accounts. Divide your total balances by your total credit limit to find your utilization ratio. Aim for a utilization ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. If your ratio is too high, consider paying down existing balances. Prioritize high-interest accounts to reduce debt more effectively. Consider requesting a credit limit increase from Synchrony Bank. Contact Synchrony Bank's customer service to inquire about your options. Be prepared to provide personal information and account details. Monitor your spending habits to prevent future high utilization. Utilize Synchrony Bank's online tools to track your spending. Set up alerts for when you approach your credit limit. Consider using multiple credit cards to spread out your expenses. Regularly review your credit report to ensure accuracy. Dispute any discrepancies that could negatively impact your credit score. Remember to maintain timely payments to avoid late fees. Stay informed about Synchrony Bank's financial products that could help you. Maintain a balanced approach to your overall debt management. Adopt healthy financial habits to keep your credit utilization in check. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.